Hi everybody, this is Terry from Boatshed Brighton. We're going to take a look at the inside of the boat in the salon. We're coming from the companionway straight down into the galley with a microwave, stove, oven, fridge. We just opened up the top. You can see the top of the fridge with the freezer section. Pulling back to show you the double sink and locker underneath. As we're in the back of the boat, the entrance into the boat, I'm going to take you through to the aft cabin. The aft cabin is really lovely. It's quite spacious. Nice double bed, seating on one side with a light and socket, and various cupboards and lockers for different things. Just going to move round to the starboard side. As you can see, really nice seating. Here we have wardrobe space cupboard. I'll just open that for you to have a look. Moving round, we have a really nice dressing table and mirror. Dressing table has drawers. Really lovely berth area. Going to take you back through to the galley to show you the flooring. This is the flooring in the aft cabin, going through the galley, and here we have the salon. Really nice comfortable seating, windows, cupboard space. So that's the starboard side. Going to the port side, pilot's chart table and chair with all the electrical panel and navigation equipment. Dropping down to the seating again to show you the flooring. There's the bilge pump area and the bottom of the mast. Just take you up through. There's the mast going up to the deck. We have seating. We have lots of windows, hatches, plenty of light, plenty of air. I'm going to take you through to the cabin in the bow of the boat. Again, you can see it's a double width berth. Taking you through to the port side. Lots of space behind the door. There's another wardrobe cabin there. The door's quite firmly open. Again, a little seating area. Show the starboard side of this cabin. So this cabin actually has a heads area. There's the convenience, the sink, the mirror, hatch. Really very lovely. And there's a second mirror there, hanging hook. Just close the door. Just going to take you through to there is another shower room in the main cabin. back through to the aft cabin. Apologies, I didn't show you this when we were in here before. But here we have a really nice stand-up shower. There are some close-up photos in the photo section on this listing. I'll show you the heads there. Mirror coming down. And then coming back into the walkway. Good, so we're going to finish off here in the galley and the saloon. This is Terry from Boatshed Brighton. Thank you for watching.